Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest skincare products. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best acne scar treatment on the market, the COSRX Snail Mucin 96% Power Repairing Essence. Let's uncover what makes this Korean skincare gem so special. If you're dealing with acne scars, dullness, or fine lines, you're not alone. Finding the right solution can be challenging, but fear not. COSRX may have just the answer. At the heart of this product is its star ingredient, snail secretion filtrate, which makes up an impressive 96.3% of the formula. Don't let the thought of snail mucin scare you away, it's a powerhouse ingredient packed with nutrients like hyaluronic acid and glycolic acid, known for their skin rejuvenating properties. What sets this essence apart is its ability to tackle multiple skincare concerns. From reducing acne scars to brightening dull skin and smoothing out fine lines, the COSRX Snail Mucin Essence is truly a multitasking marvel. But it's not just about what's inside the bottle, it's also about how it feels on the skin. This essence boasts a lightweight, fast-absorbing formula that delivers long-lasting hydration without any greasy or sticky residue. Plus, it's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. But don't just take my word for it. Users around the globe have been raving about the transformative effects of this essence. From reducing oiliness and minimizing pores to achieving a radiant, healthy glow, the results speak for themselves. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for a skincare superhero to tackle acne scars and more, look no further than the COSRX Snail Mucin 96% Power Repairing Essence. It's a game-changer that's sure to earn a permanent spot in your skincare routine. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Until next time, stay glowing.